Hey guys, it's Ghost Queen. Today I am joined with my brother.
Yay, yay.
And we're going to open a crap load of Pokemon cards.
Yay.
Now, as a general rule, you're not supposed to buy Pokemon cards in a box because you just don't do that. But
No, you don't.
I saw this. It was a decent price, and also this extension pack sort of just sold out as soon as it came out. So yeah, I decided to buy it as a box because it was cheaper than buying individual packs online. So if you noticed the difference in the backdrop today, we are at a hotel, and yeah, I wanted to film this video though, so I brought my camera and this box of cards because I'm weird like that. Let's open this box. So there's 10 packs in this box, just like that. So each of us gets to open 5.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll take one, you take one. So each pack has one. Each pack has one GX, and you're guaranteed one GX per pack. And each pack has 10 cards instead of the usual 5.
Yeah, it also has shiny Pokemon.
Okay, so let's do this.
Okay.
I'm gonna go first. First card, we have Sudowoodo. That's pretty cute. Next, Ultra Space, Kartana, Rotom, and it's sparkly.
Yeah, sparkly cards are always good.
Oh, I got Silvally GX. Cool. Nice. So that's our GX card. Manaphy.
Oh, that's a good card.
Marshadow. Sparkly. I don't think I have Marshadow. And Bulbasaur. Thankfully, all of these are ones that I know the names for in English. And then we have Piple. Was that its name?
No, I don't.
And is this Delphox? I don't know.
Yeah, it's Delphox.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Have.
Ooh, yes! Tabulele dakke kore. Next!
And this.
Ooh, that's Ultra
Cosmo.
Necrozma?
Yeah.
No, that's normal Necrozma. but
Zygarde.
like, no.
Bug.
Yay, Wimpod.
This thing.
That energy thing.
Pachirisu.
Ooh.
Frost Rotom. This card.
Wait, what's this again? Oh, that thought from the Kalos region.
Yes. And.
Diancie!
Equibus?
Next,
Yeah, sure.
we have.
Oh, this one, yeah.
What's this one called again? I don't
It's
remember.
right there or something.
Okay. What about this one?
I don't know.
Oh, this other thought.
Yes.
And Big Buggo! Okay. Oh, type null. Awesome.
Yo,
Yes!
yo.
This is shine. This is
It's
like.
secret. Right?
Oh my gosh, this
Yo.
is like the second ever secret rare card that I've ever gotten in the
Yo.
history of collecting
Yo.
cards, and I've been collecting these since I was 9.
Yo.
So. Ooh, shiny. I love pink shinies. Oh, and what's this one again?
I don't know.
Swirlix?
Yeah, that's what I was.
And
I don't know.
ooh, Alolan Vulpix. My phone just went off. And Riolu.
Okay, we have
Rotom.
and
Oh, Gladion. Okay.
Water Memory.
Ooh.
Shiny
Eevee.
Eevee.
It's not just shiny Eevee. It's a
It's a shiny card. You.
It's a sparkly Eevee.
Glaceon.
Glaceon,
GX,
nice.
And
Wait, which one is
Magic Fox.
Magic Fox thing?
And
Furry bait. Something
cool card.
energy thingy mo bother.
Okay, Cosmog.
Wee. What is that?
Slugma or something.
Oh, Slugma, yeah. What is that?
And a
Diglett?
Diglett. Yeah.
Nope. Acerola! I don't think I have her. I don't know. Magearna? Next. What the hell is this?
Mountain.
Mountain thingamabob. Oh, another water memory, but it's sparkly this time. Was it sparkly last time? I don't remember. Ooh, I don't know what this one is called in English, but yeah.
B.
B. And Blaziken. And Lucario. And Cubone. And whatever the hell that one is called. And heck, Ivysaur?
Yeah.
Nothing that great in this one.
Have a skateboard thing. Have.
Those thoughts.
Whoa! Oh my god.
What?
These. Got it. Black 2, white 2.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. We have.
Venusaur?
Venusaur.
What was it
This
called in English
thing.
again?
Magnemite.
Okay.
We have this thing.
Edge furry.
We have.
That thing.
Yeah. This thing.
Darkrai.
That thing.
We have the shiny of that now.
This thing. And this.
Oh, we're not getting that great cards.
Yeah.
Alright, what do we got?
Yeah.
That thing.
Explode Turtle Dinosaur. CD disc.
That other thought
Oh.
from Callus.
Macho Bee. It's not even a bee, it's a mosquito. Monkey.
Harambe.
This thing.
Echo.
Shiny Magnemite.
Ooh, shiny.
Dunsparce.
Dunsparce.
This is amazing card. And, Frogadier. And Sneasel.
I don't know why, but that makes me laugh. Next, I am down to my 5th pack. Please give me something good. The Beast Spring? And another Rotom? Come on, come on, come on. That other thought?
Every time
Another.
we're getting different thoughts.
Yeah. Oh, there's a treat. Faramusa. Ew, Koopa. That one. Nyeh. Ooh.
Rock. Mimikyu. Egg.
Egg.
Okay, the GXs.
No, Thingy-Mobob Necrozma. Ooh.
This.
Ah. Ooh.
This.
Ah.
Egg. And this.
Every single box or pack or anything that I buy sucks. It was 100 Pokemon cards. I was hoping for the newer version of Guzma, obviously, because I low-key worship him, but I did not get him because every single time I buy cards, it sucks. I guess I'm just better off buying Guzma alone. Hopefully I'll be able to find him for a decent price. My brother suggested laying out all the GX cards, so that's what I'm gonna do. GXs that I got are, well, something like this. And I guess it's no doubt that this one is pretty much the gem of our pool this time. Unfortunately, it was not what I was looking for. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!